I could juggle these. Okay, let's do this. We use a series of shims placed in the chink. Yeah. So just to recap, the logs are able to slide down the spline. Mosquito chews my face. Plywood shims are placed in the chinking gap along. Oh my God. Each corner gets a timber screw to further tie it together. We have a window that's already been installed in our log building, so let's take this opportunity to deconstruct it, examine the install, and make up a bunch of crap as I talk. Once you're happy with the plumb and the fit, you can stand back and admire your first perfect dovetail. But not for long, we've got a cabin to build. Can I stop? In my hot pants.